Here's a quick video about TV Sharp model lc-60c6400u. Common problem about this TV that you only have sound.
Esperanza swings her
But
tail
you have
happily.
any picture. You know, the LED lights are on. The panel is on, but there's no picture. Changing the stick-on board won't fix the problem. The problem with the motherboard, but you can fix it real quick and easy and save you hundreds of dollars. So if we look here, there's no picture. So if we get the hot air and try to heat under the main processor. This is the main processor here, which is responsible about the picture, audio. It's the main processor. Right here, if we heat it with the heat, with the hot air, watch what will happen here. So we're gonna heat here a little bit heating. Right here. There we go. There we go. So we got a good picture right now. So now we got a picture because we heat it here. Alright, here's the TV. Wow, stunning picture. I think I got problem with one of the LEDs here that's not fully lit, but that doesn't matter. It's really good. I'm gonna turn the lights off now. It's really good. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, beautiful picture. And just heating these elements in the back of the processor. I actually did resolder them with a little soldering iron. Now it's working perfect. Well, good luck for everybody. Thank you.